Hi guys, happy Thursday! Can you believe that today is our last day of full instruction? I know, I'm a little bit mind blown as well. So guys, I want to go over a couple of important things, and I'm not going to open the lesson today until I've given you guys a chance to kind of watch this video. So today's lesson, you're going to take your percent change quiz, okay? You are also going to submit your scratch work. Just as I did last week, if you submit your scratch work by the end of today, we'll say 5 p.m. When I check, I will give you guys an extra 5 points on a graded assignment, whatever that be. Okay. Um, Other important notes is I'm going to hold a review session at 10 a.m. So that's going to help you before your quiz. That's why I want you to watch this video before you take that quiz. Okay. Last classwork grade. This quiz is your last classwork grade, okay? You will get 2 attempts to take it, and you will not get a retake opportunity on this one, okay? Just want to let you guys know about that. So please make sure that you guys take this opportunity and attend that review session and use both of your 2 attempts if you're not happy with your first score. So some reminders and announcements. We do have a Google Meets today at 10. It's going to help you go over the content from this week if you have any questions before you take your quiz for today. I'm going to post that if you'd like to watch it again. Again, you don't need to take your quiz right away. If you want to wait, you can. But don't wait past maybe 5 o'clock. That's not good. I will also post another helpful video if you guys want to watch that too to help you out with this quiz, the percent change quiz. So if you want to watch that, you may. Tomorrow's Flex Friday, which means that you're going to use that day to take care of any NTIs or any assignments you'd like to retake. I'm also going to have the study guide come out tomorrow, the study guide for the final. So it's the last day to retake. That's tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to also hold a Google Meets from 11 to 12 tomorrow. You don't need to attend the whole time. That's just the time for you to check in with me or ask any questions, okay? Please update me if you have an NTI. I've discussed with some of you that's a lot of grades to be looking through each night, so I'm not doing that anymore. Once I enter those grades, if it's an NTI, I do not go back to look at those grades. So if it's an NTI, you need to let me know, and preferably on the activity feed, as I don't check my Gmail account as frequent as the activity feed. So if you want that grade to be updated ASAP, then put your comment on the activity feed and not by Gmail. So next week, guys, we're going to be reviewing for our math final. Study guides go out tomorrow, like I said, so there won't be any retakes for this quiz today, tomorrow. You're going to have retakes from the past of digital learning that we've given. If you want to do those tomorrow, take care of any NTIs or work on your study guide final, you can. The study guide key will be released on Monday, okay? Please write this down. Your final is May 18th, all right? And I will have more information to come, guys, so just please stay tuned. And your last day of school is May 20th, all right? So, guys, we see the end of the tunnel. You've done amazing for your digital learning. I'm super proud of you. You have no idea. This is not an easy thing, so I'm very proud of you guys, and just keep up the great work. All right, see you later.